Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so excited about today's video because I wanted to share with you guys how to decorate a space that is already beautiful. So this was a lounge, kind of like a cabin area, and it was right in front of a lake, and I wanted to just really play off of the natural beauty that was already there. So many times we get caught up with, all of the new techniques and fabrics and backdrops and things like that, but we forget that nature can sometimes be the most beautiful backdrop that we can ever imagine. So one of the fun things that I enjoyed about this event was that I got to decorate with my friend and sister and event planner, Nina Bonner, and she's the owner of Simply Beautiful Events and Designs. And so sometimes when I go to different cities, I like to collaborate with other planners so that we can grow and learn and kind of sharpen each other, just as the Bible says that iron sharpens iron. And we had such a great time doing that. So one of the first things that I wanted to do was kind of assess the space in the area and make any changes that we needed to make in terms of positioning, like the round table that's directly in front of that fireplace. I did not want that to be there, so we did make a small change there, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So once we put the rectangular table in place, we went ahead and added the linen. I just wanted to stay very natural with the Chiavari chairs. One of the things that she and I both talked about was like laying out, like placing all the pieces to see exactly how you wanted them placed prior to like doing the floral arrangements and things like that. I think that saves a lot of time, even though you don't have like the florals in place yet. So as you can see, I incorporated like the little votives that you see from the Dollar Tree. I also included the charger plates from the Dollar Tree as well. But all of the glass pieces that will later on contain the floral arrangements have already been preset on the table, so it will save us time as we continue on throughout the day. So here are all the flowers in place. It turned out absolutely amazing. Another thing that we did was that we added the marble plates from the Dollar Tree. A very special thank you to Very Carrie for finding the majority of these for me, and then also my BFF Alicia found the rest of them, so we were able to like put them on every table. And the marble and the lavender and then the marble and purple looked absolutely fabulous together, and it just kind of added to that whole natural theme, that we were trying to stick with as well. Another tip that I wanted to offer you guys is that when you're using live flowers, you can also mix in some faux florals as well. Now that was one of the things that Nina did when she was creating the centerpieces, and by the way, she did create all the centerpieces, and so I thought she did an amazing job on that. And if you mix in the faux florals, I keep saying flow, but faux florals with the live ones, and you have really good ones, it's very hard to tell which ones are live and which ones are fake. I like to do this with hydrangeas in the summertime, especially when you're doing an outdoor event, because hydrangeas require a lot of water, and the hotter it is, sometimes it can cause them to wither and die or shrink or whatever in the super hot weather. So I did not want that to happen. So that was one of the things that we did, and it's very, very hard to tell again which florals are live and which florals were not live when you mix the two together. Also, a good way that you can save on costs is like with the greenery, because you can use a lot of greenery from like outside. Like Mother Nature offers so much greenery and at absolutely no cost. So it was a great way to, just kind of add in that live feel, that live floral feel. You can just use like live greenery and then mix it with the faux flowers. So here is one more reminder of the before and the after.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. Hits my heart so deep. my arms around you, 'cause
so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you some quick tips on how to decorate a space that is already beautiful. I would love to have you join us at Luxe Academy September 27th and 28th. All you have to do is visit my website at melanieturner.design/events. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. 'Cause you're making me feel